point?
They're in love now. What do you think? They're not in love.
Is love that stupid?
It's love. Love is blind and foolish also.
Really?
Yeah. Hey, hi guys, the favorite boy Bbnaija again on this channel today, and I'm here with the beautiful Joy, Joy of the world. Hi, how are you doing today?
I'm fine, I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm fine, my darling. Wow, you look so beautiful.
Thank you very much.
You're really the joy of the world. See your beautiful face. Okay, guys. This week was something else. I'm telling you. You know what I mean? And in fact, I was thinking Bbnaija would make a ring today. I mean, not even today, this week, right? For the house.
Very serious.
Because it was like Royal Rumble everywhere, SmackDown, everything.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, I mean, Erica and what do you call Watoni? What do you think?
I think she really gave her the blow of everything. Like she made it clear that Kiddwaya was just playing with her. But what she just thought was Anthony wanted Kiddwaya to herself, like she has been tripping for the guy, things and everything.
But I mean, it's obvious that every girl in that house, who will see the Kiddwaya and not fall for him? Which girl? This one. Apart from you, my baby.
But it was, I mean, I don't know what to think about Erica. I think she's just being so naughty and just, she's too cheap for my liking, please.
Oh, well, I'm thinking, I think now she's becoming too overprotective over Kiddwaya and all of that shit. So, it's making her to be, to fight over her territory.
Are you sure she's being overprotective or she's being stupid?
They're in love now. What do you think? They're not in love.
Is love that stupid?
It's love. Love is blind and foolish also.
Really?
Yeah.
But it's just so obvious that Kiddwaya does not really care about her. It's so obvious.
There's nobody in that house that care about each other, to be honest. Look at Nengi and Keisha. You see, Nengi, also Keisha, Dorothy. Okay, look at the fight. Nengi and Keisha. Just because of boiling water. What do you think about this Nengi? This Nengi, I think the guy is too egocentric and quick to act. I mean, what do you think?
I think she's just, she wants to be the center of attraction.
Yeah.
Everywhere. And she believes that she got everything that she has, that every guy can chase her for. So there's no need, even if she's being naughty and she's just being controlling about everything in the house.
I mean, she has this character. And Bbnaija needed that character in that house. That since Katrina left, I think this Tata kind of person is needed in the house, and I think Nengi is kind of brings that extra to the house, like Tata, right? Controversial.
I believe so, but if we don't have that kind of thing in the house, it will definitely be boring.
Now that fight. Remember when Bbnaija disqualified Tata? Remember she got into a fight with what's her name? I forgot her. But Nengi, on this other hand, Nengi pushed Keisha. And she shoved her and get her on the ground. What do you think will happen this night? Big Brother.
I don't know. It's left for Big Brother to take. I think he might give her a warning. He actually gave Tasha a warning before he disqualified her. But
yeah.
I think he might definitely give her a warning before maybe if she has any fight again that will result to all those violence and everything.
Yeah.
Might result to that.
Yo guys, another highlight of yesterday was the party. Party after party. Party after party. Okay, did you guys do something yesterday? Leko and Erica, this time, did you notice anything?
Wonderful.
The guy has put on.
Yes, like no, he really gave me a thumbs up.
Yeah, don't miss for the weekend. I'm telling you.
Really?
It's just as in appointing her as this is a plague, and I don't understand.
Actually, he came out plain and told her this is what he wants.
Yeah.
But she was like, no, she wants Kiddwaya and everything and so. The guy was dying in silence and he could not keep, so he had to move on.
If you leave that nigga on like that in the house, he will die. You commit suicide.
Did you the part of when she told Leko told her that okay, I have to move on, I have to give it distance, and when she got to the bedroom she was crying.
Yeah, I don't understand what she wants really.
Seriously, what did she really want? Is it okay, is it that she's enjoying the other side of what Kiddwaya is giving her and everything?
Yeah,
but
attention.
I just feel she's just being so stupid and everything.
Erica, I mean, if you remember, where Neil was dancing with Keisha also in the house, in the party. Another problem. Don't for anybody.
They are really wonderful.
I'm telling you.
I don't.
But you know what? I think this, you remember the last time Ebuka told them to be themselves and not to start pretending. You know, people are watching already. I mean, so now everybody's bringing his or her own inner dirty linen out. You know.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
There's this chemistry between Keisha and
yeah, for some time now. Yeah.
And
I
really,
mean, I don't know.
Something because at the point he said nobody has given him the vibe, the way V to give him and everything. So this chemistry between him and
Keisha, I'm thinking. Well, guys, if we do here, you do here now. We go there, you have to go come outside. I mean, guys, Erica Kiddwaya.
Something went.
Hey!
We saw the blanket move.
The way it moved like Katrina and Praise was doing it.
It really moved like it's going to go yesterday.
I'm just thinking, I'm saying, sooner or later, because all this thing they are doing, you know, now head of house and the privacy and everything, so bound to happen and all that, right? I mean, Kiddwaya, that guy is actually the right one time.
But at the point, I feel maybe the guy, I don't know. I don't really know what he.
Because I mean, remember when they had that issue, when Erica had that issue with Tony, and he came to apologize. He was like, "Baby, I'm sorry."
She didn't even allow him to talk. She was just like, you see what happened? Erica was when he was serious, he was supposed to. And he was like, I got past my mouth.
He kissed me like that, please. Well, guys, I mean, the house is so. Yo, guys, in the midst of all this tension and drama, everything happened in the house. Bam! Today's eviction night.
Wow.
Yeah.
I can't wait.
What are you rooting for now?
I don't know. The last time I was thinking, I wanted Keisha to go because she was
Keisha?
Yeah, she was still just anyhow.
No, she's no more anyhow. She's no more anyhow.
Oh, really? After this storm that went down, she gave it.
She's bringing out her true madam self.
Yeah, she gave it. She gave
Hot.
She gave it. But this time around, I think I really wanted Lucy to go because she's just too.
I think they will hate her now because if you notice, when Watoni and Erica was having that fight, also when Nengi and Keisha was having that fight, she was preventing the other housemates from separating them. So people will see her in this bad light. What do you think?
No, I think she's playing her game. I think she really knows what.
After all, it's a game.
But
everything is a game. People like the game. Yeah. But Nengi. I think people still need that energy in that house. They still need that trouble, you know.
Definitely, but I'm not sure Nengi, no.
She won't go, right?
Nengi can.
But I mean, she pushed Keisha to the floor. Don't you think she will make people out to make her let her go? I mean, disqualify her all of that?
No, I don't think that will just bring that will just bring her going out of the house. I think he has to give her like a warning.
Yeah, it's try.
Just like he did to Tasha. If she does it again, it can be. But I'm not sure.
Come to think of it, Dorothy this week has been notably quiet somehow. What do you think? I mean, non-usual Dorothy always in the front headline.
She's just trying to be herself and just get used to the fact that she does not longer have a bestie again.
Yeah, in the house. In the house. And also about Watoni and Neo. Watoni and Neo, what do you think? I mean, do you think they'll stay?
For Watoni, I don't think. I'm not sure, but for Neo, I can't tell about that.
Guys,
the guy just giving us.
The guy blew my mind with this quote. It was like, let's just people begin like get like the waka. That person they call up. I don't understand. All right. Alright guys, we've come to the wrap of this session, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed the show. How about you? What did
I enjoyed this show. I enjoyed it. Wow. I can't wait for tonight.
Yeah. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, Naija News and Entertainment, okay? And don't forget your comments also are needed, okay? Alright, signing out from this session now is your bad boy, Livinho, and
Joy of the world.
yeah, Joy of the world. Alright.